Curious if commercial solar is right for your business? Meet Suncast Corporation, the market-leading manufacturer of high-quality resin products made in the U.S. The privately owned manufacturing giant based in Batavia, Illinois, employs over 1,800 and operates multiple facilities across the state. Renowned for their high-quality plastic and resin products, they supply leading retailers like Walmart and Home Depot. Thanks to their new solar array by commercialsolar.org and Solar One, they will be offsetting 15% of their electricity with the sun and save over $175,000 annually. How? Like many, they had researched solar before, but could never find a proposal that made financial sense. Large upfront costs, long wait for ROI, and apprehension about solar production in Midwestern winters are all too common. At commercialsolar.org, we introduced them to Solar One, a leading commercial solar installer who specializes in accelerated ROI solar projects for businesses. Thanks to Solar One's proprietary energy savings program, Suncast was able to transform its tax liability into a cost-reducing asset with immediate positive cash flow via federal and state incentives. The program allows payments that would otherwise go to the IRS be used as funding for a commercial solar array. Instead of a large upfront expense to pay for solar panels, tax liability transforms those IRS payments into payments for a solar array. This results in positive cash flow returns by year one compared to a 8 to 10-year ROI for a typical commercial solar project. After collaborating with the local utility, Suncast Corporation embarked on a journey toward sustainability. In June 2021, their 1.6 megawatt solar system went live, offsetting 15% of its energy usage, saving the corporation millions in energy costs over its lifetime. Suncast Corporation is committed to sustainability and corporate responsibility in all that we do, and the addition of this solar array will help us power our operations in a socially responsible and environmentally sound way, and furthers us toward our goal of becoming carbon neutral, said Thomas Tisbo, CEO and President of Suncast Corporation. Solar One has constructed additional solar arrays across all Suncast Corporation facilities, leveraging the expanded tax credit from the Inflation Reduction Act. Contact commercialsolar.org today to see if your organization qualifies for the ESP program and request a proposal.